Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this warm tone color grading in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your video into CapCut and go to Filter. Here, click on the Movies category and then select the green orange filter. This one. Set it to around 70. Now go to adjust. Here for the brightness, increase it to 10 and click on the saturation, also increase it to around 10. Brilliance 11. Now click on the HSL and click on the orange color. So you want to make that warm tone color by lowering the hue to around -15. Saturation, increase it to 15, and the lightness, increase it to around 20. Now go back and click on the grabs. So on the white color, you can adjust it a base or according to your video. Like this, I'm going to go with this. Go back and click on the highlight, lower it to -30. Shadow, lower it to -3, and the temperature, increase it to 10. Now click on the check icon and you'll get this warm coloring for your video. So let's see the before and after. So this is the before coloring and this is the after. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.